So how can you download files from the iCloud drive using your Android? Now, obviously, iCloud has been designed for Apple devices. So it means that it's not the best idea to use it on Android, but I do understand that you might want to access some of your files there. And you can do this. So you can access iCloud not through an app, but through a web browser. So you can open up the Google Chrome, for example, and into the URL, you just type in iCloud.com. This makes this page show up, and you can just click on the sign in button and you can proceed to the next step. So you're going to be required to type in your email address, which is the Apple ID, and of course your password as well. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you're going to have to go through it again and just make sure you type in the passcode you receive so you can actually get inside properly. And then on this page, you can browse all of your iCloud apps, which also work online. So these include the photos, the mail, notes, and also the drive. So when you click on Drive, you can literally just browse through the files which are uploaded to your iCloud Drive. You can upload more of the files there, or you can download any of the files which are sorted here, depending on how you want to access it, right? You can also move them around and put them in folders. It also works here pretty okay, considering that we are on a web version of the app. So despite that, it still kind of works okay. So if you want to quickly download some apps, you can access this method. Just keep in mind that it may not be ideal to use in long term because obviously we don't have any kind of app for it, and yeah, it doesn't work well on other platforms outside of Apple. So that's how I would approach this. Let me know below in the comments if you have some more questions or thoughts about this. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.